As it's been said, the internet has been built through vast networks of copper wires. We've talked about the fiber optics. But now, they're saying in the future, everything really could be ran off of diamond. And they're talking about man-made diamonds because they're saying the man-made diamonds would work to their benefit because they could shape and create and build these diamonds in a fashion where they'll work the best. And instead of just trying to find the right size by chance out there in nature somewhere, they can go ahead and whip this up and use it in terms of transferring information. Now, for those of you that do not know, crystals do hold memory. This is one of the most amazing things about them. When it comes to quartz crystals and other crystals that are out there, the information, the data that can be stored inside of them is incredible. And it makes one wonder how much information is really stored in any one crystal. Then it comes down to the technology and the understanding of how to download such information. But once they stumble into this field themselves, where they're practicing doing this, this means they have to be on the cusp of doing just that. So this is what they say. They say that researchers at Princeton are creating diamonds that they think will be able to store and transmit micro messages called qubits. Now, they put out this press release. They explained that their man-made diamonds could be used to build this new super secure and super smart internet of the future called the quantum internet. You ever heard that before? The science is complex, they say, but essentially, the researchers have been looking for a better way to store and send qubits, which are typically transmitted through particles of light or photons. Think fiber optic networks, something like that. But this method only works for short distances before the information becomes distorted. So scientists think that crystals like diamonds might not distort the information so much. So there's a lot going on here, but it opens up the realm of storing information in diamonds, in crystals, and transferring it. If they're messing with this and they've discovered how to do this legitimately, how to pull data out of a crystal or a diamond, if this is what they're hinting at, that means any other one that's been discovered in any archaeological pit at any site around the world, this brings to mind the crystal skulls, they should then be able to peer into it and pull out the information. If they're saying they can do so through a process like this. Gets the wheels turning nonetheless. And this is where it sits. Interesting talk here in terms of the transfer of information and diamonds. I'll leave a link here. If you guys get anything you want me to report on, let me know. Dabu7yahoo.com. Make sure to subscribe to the other YouTube channel, Underground World News. Follow me on Twitter for the latest updates. This has been Dabu7. Much love.